Yes, the next important and last chapter is command line arguments. It is possible to pass the values from the command line to your C program is known as command line arguments. Okay, pass some value from the command line to your C program. Okay, whenever you are running a C program in a DOS prompt, through command line you can pass some value to your C program. It is called as command line arguments. Okay, the command line arguments are handled using main function arguments, where argument C argument V. Okay, normally main argument C comma argument V. Okay. This is a keyword. So argument C refer to number of arguments passed. Number of arguments, whether it's 2 or 3 or 4 something. So argument C refer to number of arguments passed, and argument V array is a pointer array which points to each argument passed to the program. So what are the arguments passed of for example A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is a 4 values. So argument C stores 4 and argument V stores A, B, C, D. This is an array. It stores all the values. Okay, which points to each argument passed to the program. See, for example, in this is a DOS prompt. I am executing sample.c. Inside I am passing this. This is called command line arguments. This is command line arguments. Okay. So how many arguments I passed? Testing 1, command testing 2. So name of the program file is sample.c and argument C is number of arguments is 2 and argument V is a list of argument array, that is testing 1 is stored in a argument V of 0 and testing 2 is stored in argument V of 1. Yes, I hope you all understood and just keep on working on this. It is very easy and this will be helpful to learn all other language very easily. Yes, all the best friends, all the best.